Today we have an electric tricycle. It's by Mooncool, it's foldable, and it's a TK1. Let's get into it. So the bike is very comfortable. The seat's comfortable. I'm sitting up straight, and I'm riding this bike right now like a regular pedal bike with no pedal assist. So you can see my legs moving down there. We're doing 8-9 miles per hour, and yeah, we're not even having to have that motor on. We're even going up a slight incline. This bike will do just fine pedaling it without any motor, just giving it throttle only. Looks like me being 265 pounds, 5'11". I get about 15.6, 15.7 miles out of it. I can get it to 16 if I'm pedaling real fast, but at that point we're just kind of ghost pedaling. So we'll come down here, turn around, and head into the park here. Let's check out some of the specs on this bike. The Mooncool TK1 Foldable Tricycle. You're gonna have 5 color options: vibrant orange, cyan green, slate gray, white, or cinnamon pink. The recommended rider height is gonna be 5 foot to 6'3". To the left side of the handlebars, you're gonna have a small but very clear and easy to read display. You can even see it with your sunglasses on. You're gonna have things like your power, your pedal assist, how much battery you have left, your miles per hour, your total miles, an odometer, and more. If you hold the minus button down, the bike will go into a walking mode. If you hold the plus button up, you'll turn on the headlight and tail lights. Hold the M button down, will power the bike off. To the right side of the handlebars, you're gonna have your twist throttle, your turn signals, and a horn. You're also going to have an emergency brake. You just press down on the rear brake and pull that lever back. That engages the emergency brake, so now the bike won't roll on you when you get off of it. To release it, just go ahead and press that brake again, it'll release it. You're going to have this nice big bold front headlight that's adjustable, and it also has a reflector. On the back of the headlight is where the sound for the horn comes from. You're gonna have a 661 aluminum frame on this bike, coil suspension forks with lockout. The BMX style handlebars are gonna be 31.8 millimeters, 660 millimeters wide with a 120 millimeter rise. The seat is super comfortable and really wide. The seat post is 31.8 millimeters. You're also going to have hydraulic disc brakes with 180 millimeter rotors. Metal pedals with reflectors. Included even comes a water bottle holder. The Chaoyang tires are 20 by 3 inches and they have a fairly aggressive tread on them. So included are front and rear metal fenders. You're also going to have included a front and rear basket. The weight of this bike is 90 pounds and it has a load capacity of 350 pounds. To the rear center of the bike, you're going to have a 48 volt 500 watt hub motor and it has a peak power of 750 watts. 65 newton meters of torque. The battery is under the seat and you can charge it on or off the bike. To charge the battery on the bike, simply pop this little cap off and plug your charger in right here. To charge the battery off the bike, simply remove your seat, toss it in your back rack, insert your key, unlock it, pop the battery off, and you can see you have a battery indicator light right here on the face of the battery. To reinsert the battery, slide it back up, slide it right back on, and latch it closed. Simple as that. It's going to take about 6 to 8 hours to charge this bike with the 54 volt 2 amp hour charger. Mooncool says you're going to get 35 to 60 miles of range on this bike, and honestly I'm sure that's going to be on pedal assist level 1 with a light rider on flat ground. So there's only one gear on this bike and it's going to go 16 miles per hour and you're not going to be able to out pedal it. This bike has a cadence sensor. To the back of the bike you have tail lights that are also brake lights. And when you hit the brake, all 3 lights light up to indicate you're braking. Turn signals left and right. To give you an idea how high that seat can come up, there's a maximum line here. And that's about how high that seat's gonna come up. You also have adjustable handlebars. Unlatch it, and you can bring the handlebars up this high. So that's gonna be about the max height for the handlebars in the seat. The lowest setting is gonna be down here for the handlebars, and the seat goes really low. And that's your minimum height for the handlebars and the seat, which is pretty low as well. So if there are specs or features that are important to you that I didn't mention here today, check out the Mooncool website for more detailed information. So in pedal assist level 0, there's no throttle. As soon as we go to pedal assist level 1, the throttle is gonna kick in, and it looks like it's gonna take us right up to full speed. So regardless of whether you're in pedal assist level 1, 2, 3, 4, or 5, the bike's gonna pick right up to 16 miles an hour. In my case, that was 15.7 miles per hour, but I'm also 265 pounds, 5'11". So this bike's got a job to do. I'm gonna go right up into pedal assist level 5 and throttle only. Let's see what we get here. Get it up to speed. We're at 6 seconds, 13, 15, 15.5 miles an hour. So that's capped off there. I mean, that's pretty good. This is a tricycle. This is not a race bike, but it's nice to know that it has a little oomph to get you out of the way if it needs to. Let's go ahead and try that again. We're at 6 miles an hour, 10, 12, 13, 15, 15.5. Like I said, 15.5 is going to be our top speed with me on the bike apparently. We'll take a look and see how quick we got there, but that felt pretty good. Let's go ahead and check out our GPS, and let's see if this bike is really doing the speed it says it is. We only have 16 miles, so really hope it is. Let's get ready, and here we go. GPS is reading 10, bike is reading 10, 12, 12, 14, 14, 15, GPS is 15. Okay, so yeah, they're both reading 15. We're holding 15 miles per hour, so that's perfect. The GPS is confirming the speed of the bike. This bike is going as fast as it says it is. We're going to test the 5 different pedal assist levels, 1 through 5. Let's see how we do here. So from pedal assist level 1, we're doing 8. From pedal assist level 2, we're doing 9. 10. Pedal assist level 3, we're doing 11. 12. Pedal assist level 4, we're doing 13. 14. 13, 14. And pedal assist level 5, we're doing 15 and 16 miles an hour. So there you have it, folks. The 5 different pedal assist levels, 1 through 5. Look at that bike. So this is the Mooncool TK1. Let's go ahead and turn that headlight on. That is a sharp looking bike, folks. I love the fact that I can just throw whatever I want right in the back there. I even have all this room up front, and you could just grab some stuff, bring it with you just in case you need it. You want to bring an extra coat, throw it in the back rack. So there it is. What a sharp looking color. Look at that orange. I don't know how well you can see it. Let's try to get it in the light a little bit. But that is a sharp looking bike. As the sun comes off of the bike, it turns a little bit redder, but that's orange. So let's go ahead and do our brake test. We're gonna hit our brake as soon as we hit this white line. Each one of these parking spaces is 9 feet. And let's see what we get here. Let's do it. 0 to 16 mile an hour brake test. And let's see how quick this bike stops. We're up to 10 miles an hour. 15. There's our total speed. Beautiful. Wow, that's good. That was some nice braking right there. Let's do it again. Let's kick it right up to 16 miles an hour. Quick as it's gonna go. We're at 16 miles an hour. Right here, 15.5. Beautiful. This bike can stop at 16. We know that. Let's get up to 16 and hit them brakes. 7, 10, 11, 13, 15. And there's 16 right here. Yeah, that's really good. I mean, we're a parking space and a half. Can't ask for more than that. Let's go ahead and show you what it looks like turning with this bike. So I'm just going to show you a couple figure eights here. You can see if I turn in with the bike here, as you're leaning into your turn, the bike turns really well. So you want to kind of lean into the turn, just like I'm doing here. So I'm leaning into my turn. I lean into my turn, just like this, keeping my body on the seat, and I'm just leaning into it. That keeps the tires nice and flat on the ground, and you feel pretty good. Always keep your hand on the brake when you're making those turns too. You never know when you got to hit those brakes. But yeah, I mean, I'm just coasting along here. I mean, I'm making some pretty tight turns here. Show you how tight we're going to cut. There's a parking space here that's 9 feet. So this is me going around a 9-foot parking space. I feel like I can go even tighter than that. I just did. Look at this. That's a 9-foot parking space, making myself dizzy. I honestly didn't think it would turn that tight, but it is. So look at that. Okay, so that demonstrates to you how you can turn the bike without lifting the wheels up off the ground and turn the bike comfortably. So hopefully that gives you a good idea. Once you get used to riding this bike like that, you'll feel a lot more comfortable too. This bike's not meant to take off-road. Let's just assume we have to cut through a field, and let's go ahead and do that. So we're traveling through the lawn here, doing 12 miles an hour. $13 miles an hour, no problem. Hey, let's go over this pipe here. Oh, okay, we're good. I mean, we're on a soccer field here, so this bike is doing what it has to do off-road. So I'm impressed. I'm taking the tricycle through an open field, and I thought it'd be a lot more bumpy, but this thing's doing just fine. So if you ride it right, you can take this thing anywhere you want, and you don't even have to worry about balance because it's a trike. We're on 3 wheels. We got a seat with us everywhere we go. Folding the bike down is really simple. You're going to want to pull back on that safety and flip the latch open. Then you're just going to take the bike, hold it with your leg, and turn it in toward yourself. Just like that. To drop the handlebars down, just lift up on this ball, flip it open just like that. It makes it a little bit easier and more compact if you're just storing the bike. And to reassemble, just go ahead and put it together in the reverse order. And that wraps this one up for the Mooncool TK1 Foldable Tricycle. Hopefully this video gets you a little bit closer to your next buying decision on an e-bike. And if it is going to be this one, there's links in the description for you to purchase your own. Until next time, ride safe, have fun, see ya.